A day after Jiten Prasada left and joined the BJP, I'm joined by somebody who was a co-signatory with him. And you have today tweeted saying that it's about the ideology, and you're quite committed to the Congress ideology by a tweet you reflect. So what exactly needs to be done? Because every time there is somebody leaving, the party leadership is blamed, but nothing is done to correct it.
Well, I don't want to comment on what party leadership has done or not done. You see, the point is that we have reached a state in Indian politics where decisions of this nature are not based on ideology at all. They are based on what I call now Prasada Ram politics, right? You had a time when in Haryana we used to call Aya Ram, Gaya Ram politics. Now it is turned into a Prasada Ram politics. In other words, we've seen this happening in West Bengal. Suddenly people leave because they think the BJP is going to succeed. They get tickets from the BJP. One of them has become the leader of the opposition. This is all Prasada Ram politics. Means you want to fight elections not on the basis of your convictions towards an ideology, but your conviction that I might get something personally, right? That's become Prasada Ram. That is Prasada Ram politics today, right? This has happened in Madhya Pradesh, where all those people who left the Congress became ministers in the BJP. There's nothing to do with the ideology. So what kind of politics do we have? The same thing in Karnataka, the same thing in Maharashtra, right?
You were one of those G23 signatories. Of course, you were not there at that meeting with Congress president because you were in Dubai, but others spoke. There was, a pathway to go forward. There was to be elections. That hasn't happened. The core issues that Mr. Jiten wrote along with you and a host of others has still not been addressed.
But that's true, but that's neither here nor there. That doesn't have any impact on what Jiten did. If these issues have not been addressed, they must be addressed. They should be addressed as quickly as possible. They have not been addressed, that is true.
And what
right?
and
we will naturally continue to raise those issues. And if at some stage, some point in time, the party tells me that we don't need you, I will leave it. There's no issue on that because I'm not in it for myself. But I will never in my life over my dead body join the BJP, who I have approached since my birth as a politician. That's my issue with Jiten Prasad. My issue is not that he has left the party. Please understand that. That's the point.
No, you're making a very powerful statement, but many people today want to look at their own political relevance.
That's the problem. So what's the point of being a politician if that's all that you want?